present all Meghalaya.
Silver, Steve Larry, Hungary, and the bronze goes to Angel.
Taekwondo is not only a sport, Taekwondo is a way of life. Taekwondo is discipline teaches you how to discipline yourself, how to live a life of integrity, how to respect one another, and it teaches you to be fearless in your life. Government of Meghalaya is committed to promote sports and to give opportunities to our youth to excel themselves in sports at the state level, at the national level, and even at the international level.
On the behalf of all Meghalaya Taekwondo associations, we are organizing first state level Taekwondo Championship senior selections for the upcoming national championship, which will be held in Manipur. Also, this is the second Meghalaya Open Taekwondo Championship. All over from Northeast has represented here. More than 400 plus athletes from all over the Northeast. And why we have conducted this event, especially for the senior national selections from the Meghalaya. What I believe is martial arts, especially Taekwondo, not only Taekwondo, all the martial arts is very benefit for the women, especially for the self-defense and all. When they, once a female learns self-defense, they can defend themselves, they can, travel the world as I do, and they will build the confident level also, the power, they will boost up their energy also. This is very good for women especially.